One idea that we had was to have kids build animals, and so take parts of different animals and put them together. Another idea was to have a water channel where kids can play with boats and the water. And a third idea is to have a sensory chamber where each room is a different sense. So like echo chamber for hearing, eyes of an eagle.
One of our prototypes would be a sensory maze. So there would be a bunch of pit stops where you could hear a bunch of sound reflecting, see yourself reflecting into this whole taste, smell, all this stuff. So that'd be a sensory maze. Little prototype here. Animal costumes for the kids to swirl out in the zoo. Here's a prototype of that. Halloween costumes, they work a little prototype. And then for the last one, we have a sky bridge or a sky box for the parents. They can overlook their kids. Here's our third prototype.
One idea we had was to do an exhibit with various rooms, and each room would represent a different life stage of the butterfly. Another idea we had was to do an underwater simulation that would teach about environmental protection of coral reefs and different types of fish. And then another idea we had was to do an earthquake type exhibition that would be kind of in the style of a fun house. So a strike slip fault could be represented by the ground moving like that, and kids could actually feel what a strike slip fault feels like and understand earthquakes a little bit better.
What if you could teach kids about plate tectonics by having them place different structures on an earthquake simulator and seeing how they move? Or having them create their own animal sticker which they can place on a board near their favorite exhibit?